my name is Jess, and I am going to share a little bit of my story with you. For 40 years, emetophobia shaped my life. From the outside, I look capable. I'm a 45-year-old orthopedic trauma nurse in the operating room. I'm a wife, a stepmom, a nutrition coach. But underneath all of that, my world was so small, controlled, and driven by fear. So I had spent much of my life avoiding being sick. I would carry anti-nausea medication with me. I memorized where public restrooms were. I sat near exits. I always needed an escape plan. The list goes on. I didn't just live with fear. I built my life around it. So this started very early for me. I had several experiences as a child involving vomiting, motion sickness that I had allowed to stay with me. And over time, that fear just grew stronger. I became afraid to eat certain foods. Sometimes I wouldn't eat much at all. I had my safe foods to eat. I constantly worried about my stomach. I relied on safety behaviors and control to feel okay. I tried various forms of therapy, talk therapy, CBT. None of that worked. Nothing changed the way that I felt about this internally. So for years, though, I did think that I had most of this under control. Our lives revolved around coordinating care for my stepson with special needs who required 24/7 care. We had caregivers in our home daily for nearly 10 years. And so much of my focus was managing, life around that I didn't fully realize there was so much fear still, quietly running in the background. In 2023, I had woke up with vertigo, which I had never experienced before. And the next day I was diagnosed with vestibular neuritis. So part of my 4-month recovery was vestibular therapy. This is where I was repeatedly faced with intense nausea without the ability to take medication, as taking this medication would inhibit the rewiring and healing of my brain that I needed to have happen to get better. So I endured it. There were times, especially in the beginning, where I cried. I was so terrified. I didn't tell my therapist, but he was wonderful. I got through that experience, but it was after that experience where I became extremely hyper aware of my body. So the body scanning, the sleepless nights, the checking, the anxiety, it just became I was so exhausted. I didn't want to live like that anymore. I just wasn't sleeping. When you don't sleep, of course, you're going to feel worse. So moving on to right before my stepson moved out in 2024, he got the neurovirus, and my husband and I took care of him. I helped clean him up. I handled things that I thought that I could not handle. I thought maybe I had beaten this. Maybe this is gone. That was just a past, in the past. But then more recently, my husband got sick and my body went right back into panic mode. It kind of took me back to the way I used to be in high school. So isolating myself, I stopped eating. I realized that fear was still controlling me more than I wanted to admit. And that made me so angry, because despite everything that I knew as a nurse, a nutrition coach, nourishing my body, I was still living this way, and I had it. So I remember Googling emetophobia, and that's when the Thrive program popped up. So I had listened to a podcast and I had heard something that I haven't heard before. And that was, I'm doing this to myself. I was like, what? This isn't happening to me, and I can change it. And I thought, this is wild. Of course it's happening to me. I have emetophobia because of everything that happened to me in the past, So right away, I was a little bit skeptical, but I was intrigued and I was ready to learn. Of course, I had absolutely nothing to lose at this point. So I had talked to my husband about it, and he fully, encouraged me to do the program, work with the coach. He said, go for it. So that's when I found Coach Joy, and she was in my time zone, and I saw that she had, had emetophobia for nearly 30 years, and I thought this is going to be great. Somebody that will be able to relate to me, and I can share all of these quote crazy stories with. And so I began the program. And so it was around week 3, I began to experience this feeling of freedom. And it's so hard to put it into words, but it felt so amazing that I couldn't wait to keep going. Like every day I was like, what am I doing? What am I challenging myself with? What am I, praising myself for? Things like that. So I remember challenging myself emotionally sometimes did leave me, feeling completely spent by the end of the day, but it was worth it to me. It was so worth it to me. And when Joy and I would, have our meeting, I processed things with her instead of avoiding it. And I shared things openly. And for the first time, I realized that I was developing a more internal locus of control, which you'll learn in the program. And that feels amazing. You don't want to go back to the way things were because you just feel so much more, powerful within yourself. So towards the end of that time with Joy, I remember telling her I wanted to be a coach. And I said to her, but there's one problem that I'm struggling with. And I told her, I said, I haven't done it yet. I think it's been since I was 5 years old. And then I realized that it was never about vomiting. It was never about being sick. And Rob says this very early on. It is about the ability to cope with it. And that realization changed everything for me. So for the first time in my life, I can feel so much space where fear used to be, and that my world is just opening back up. I feel like I'm living, like I'm stepping into another life. It's incredible. And I just feel more present, more resilient, and just more free is the best way that I can describe it. So what Rob created and the support that I received from Coach Joy, it just helped me realize that freedom wasn't going to come from avoiding fear. It was going to come from learning that I can handle it. I can handle it. And it helped me stop living, as if fear was in charge of my life. Fear isn't in the driver's seat anymore. I am. And that changed everything for me. And for that, I will always be grateful. So thank you so much. And if you are thinking about doing the program, I say go for it. You have absolutely nothing to lose. And you will learn, it is a deep dive into yourself. You will learn so much about yourself, and everything that you learn is invaluable. So thank you so much.